Milwaukee REDSTICK digital levels with pinpoint measurement technology are built with an advanced calibration process that delivers up to 2 times greater accuracy. Pinpoint measurement technology provides a best-in-class user experience with dynamic readouts, utilizing advanced controls with numeric, graphics, color, and audio on a high-resolution 360-degree full-color display, along with a pin mode that allows you to lock in any measurement with a push of a button. REDSTICK digital levels are built with a stronger frame to protect their digital accuracy and high-resolution displays. An IP65 rating ensures these tools can stand up to the harshest job site conditions. Milwaukee REDSTICK digital levels are the first rechargeable digital levels, powered by REDLITHIUM USB batteries to provide all-day power. Covered by Milwaukee's 3-year accuracy guarantee, Milwaukee REDSTICK digital levels have superior accuracy and dynamic readout.